Yeah, a very good evening to all the dignitaries, faculty members, and dear students. A warm and hearty welcome to the exciting event AI for Everyone Generative AI Workshop being organized by the IT department from 24th to 26th October under IngenuITy and under collaboration with GDGC, CVR College of Engineering. We are very thankful to our convener and head of the department, Dr. Bipin Bihari Jaisingh, and the co-conveners of IngenuITy and GDGC for their continuous encouragement and support in helping us to organize this generative AI workshop. I would like to welcome our IngenuITy student president Charan Teja, vice president Chandana, Sheetal, who is the GDGC lead, Shantan, GDGC and AML and DS lead, and other organizers of IngenuITy and GDGC. It's my pleasure to introduce our esteemed resource person, Ajinkya Lohakare, who will be guiding us through today's session. Sir is not a new person for us. He has conducted so many workshops in the past. And to give an introduction formally to in as much less number of words as I can put it, Ajinkya Lohakare is a computer security expert. He conducts podcast and he is CTO at Ditto Security and he's a co-founder also. He has been assisting law enforcement agencies across Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, and Asia Pacific since 2015 on cybercrime related cases and has been advising governments on matters related to cybercrime. Ajinkya has delivered keynotes and presentations at numerous conferences worldwide. He has shared his expertise at events like Josh Talks, Ved Talk, and Days Conclave and data security events. With his vast experience, he has conducted more than 100 different training and awareness sessions and tailoring his programs to suit to a variety of audiences. We are honored to have him with us to share his knowledge and insights. And to begin our workshop, let us light the lamp, although virtually, but let us follow the tradition. Yes, please.
कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Now I would like to invite our HOD, Dr. Bipin Bihari Jaisingh, to address the audience.
Today's speaker, Mr. Ajinkya Lohakare, CTO and Chief Security Officer, Ditto Security, IngenuITy President, Secretary, and all core committee members, IngenuITy advisors, my dear assistant and associate professors who have joined in this meeting, all the participants of third year students. It's my proud privilege and immense pleasure to welcome all the students to this generative AI workshop for 3 days, 24th to 26th October 2024. Hearty welcome you all. This workshop, generative AI. Even we are the faculty and the professors of the department, we used to upgrade our knowledge. Just 1 month back, we people are the participants of generative AI given by the EICT IT Academy, IIT Kanpur. We have attended 1 week generative AI. But this workshop is for you people, only 3 days, and per day 2 hours. With 6 hours, maybe for students it is a benefit workshop. But to teach generative AI is not easy. It is very vague. Total, you say, ocean of the artificial intelligence is there in GenAI. We say generative artificial intelligence, also known as generative AI or Gen AI for short. It's nothing but just a type of artificial intelligence where you can create new content and ideas, including conversations, stories, images, videos like this. Actually, the generative AI word is not new for all of us. It is old term, old word. It is introduced in 1960 in chatbots, but it has come to uh, the artificial intelligence and computer science people mind in 2014. That means up to 2014, it was not there. Generative AI word was there. Implementation of generative AI was not there. Now, with the help of generative adversarial networks, GANs, which is a type of machine learning algorithm, then that generative AI could create convincingly the authentic images, videos, audios, like this many more. On the one hand, the generative AI capability has opened opportunities to many more people, including better movie dubbing and rich educational content. You can prepare your PPTs also. You can think of deepfakes, digitally forged images or videos, and harmful cybersecurity attacks on business. Correct? Realistically mimicking and like many nowadays even you get LLMs. The word has come because of Gen AI. The rapid advance is now LLMs, large language models. That is models with billions or even trillions of parameters. These have opened a new era, which is generative AI models that can write engaging text, painting images, even create somewhat were entertaining on the fly. Moreover, innovations in multimodal AI, the word has come multimodal AI, enable teams to generate content across multiple types of media, including your text, graphics, and video. The early versions of generative AI required submitting data via an API or otherwise some complicated processes. Now developers are too familiar with the special tools and write applications using languages like Python. So you, the 30 people, are already trained with Pythons. If you learn generative AI, you can do some kind of wonders. With this, I'm thankful to the college management, especially the chairman of the college, Dr. C.V. Raghava sir, and the principal of the college, vice principal of the college, who has given permission to conduct this 3 days workshop on GenAI, and the necessary facilities also given by the college management. I'm very thankful to the college management. And today, I'm thankful to this IngenuITy advisors, faculty advisors, and the student core committee members who have put their efforts to make this event a grand success. Even I'm thankful to Anup Khan sir and the other professors, associate professor of the department who have joined. Even I'm last but not the least, I have to thank my participants, the dear students who have attended the class up to 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock, then followed by 6 to 8. Maybe a difficult task for you people. Okay, but this is the age where you can learn. And I say always to all, wherever I go to class, learning is directly proportional to earning. So if people try to learn more, put hard work, if you learn more, you can earn more. With this, I thank everybody once again, and stay up to 8 o'clock with this pleasant evening. Thank you all. Once again, thank you. Thank you,
Thank you,
Anupkant.
sir.
Over to you.
Thank you, sir, for enlightening us with the origins of this terminology and, of course, the other things like what sir said. Yes, we are going through a tough schedule, both faculty, what is going on at college with group one exams and so on. But it was really a good thing that we could pull through and conduct a 3 days workshop. So all people who are involved in this, students mainly, it is a big kudos for all these people because we could make it. And now I would like to invite our person, Ajinkya Lohakare sir, to begin the session.
Okay, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, I'll share the screen then. Okay, sir. My screen is visible, I think, right?
Oh, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, I know. The presentation is not there, but the screen is visible. You can check it out. That
Charan, is it visible? Sir, screen, is it visible?
this one is visible.
Yes,
sir,
sir,
it
it
is
is
visible.
visible.
Presently, I am seeing my own image. Now, yeah, now
No,
it's
no,
coming.
visible.
Now,
Visible,
what you
right?
are showing, wiki, and all that.
Right.
Image
Understood.
modeling, yes.
Right. Okay, fine. So, good evening, everyone. I hope my voice is audible and the screen is visible. So today I'll discuss about the generative AI, and today we'll discuss about only the basic things. Okay. So what is generative AI? My first questions to all of you now, and we need the interactive session. We do everything little bit slow so you can easily understand. Okay. So during the 3 days workshop, you can easily build your own chat GPT model, or you can build your own chatbot, right? So my first question to all of you, what is chat GPT? The hello. Yes. Go ahead. My first question is to all of you: what is ChatGPT, or like this one, OpenAI, or like generative AI? Please tell me what is generative AI, so we can proceed that. So basically, I'll tell you one thing. What is generative AI? Generative AI is made by two different things. Number two is generative. Number two is artificial intelligence. Now, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is just a fancy term. Like instead of the humans, computers they can do the work. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is just a fancy term. Instead of the humans, computers they can do the work. And again, generative AI is not a new concept, right? It's been around us for a while. You all are familiar with the Siri, right? This one, you all are familiar with the Siri and the Google search engine. So these are the example of generative AI. So generative AI is not a new concept. It's been around us for a while. So today I'll make a quote here. Yesterday is history, tomorrow is mystery, and today is a gift. So that's what we call as a state. So our session is divided into three different parts: history, then the future of the artificial intelligence. Now, recently, means the last 2023, the most of the big MNC companies, they released too many different tools like ChatGPT, then the OpenAI, like this one, ChatGPT, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and you can do whatever you want to do with the help of this tool, right? So this is not a new concept. It's been around us for a while. And how you can build your own chat GPT model. So generative AI is not a rocket science. Okay, generative AI is not a rocket science. It's totally based on two different things. Number one is like deep neural network, deep learning, supervised learning. Also, you should know about the RLHF. You should know about the RLHF and the language modeling. Just don't take too much stress. Okay, I'll repeat once again. If you're gonna build your own chat GPT model, you should know about two different things. Number one is language modeling, and number two is neural network or supervised learning, right? Now first, I'll explain about the language modeling. Now, what is the language modeling? So basically, what is the language modeling? So for example, if I'm using the google.com, right? And whenever I use anything here, for example, I want to play cricket, this one, I want to play cricket. It'll give a lot of suggestion here, right? I repeat once again, I have a context, I have a phrase, and you need to find out what comes next. I repeat once again, I have a context. You need to find out what comes next. So, for example, you'll get too many options there. I want to play cricket, I want to play tennis, I want to play music, right? So, this process is called as like language modeling. Means what comes next process is called as language modeling. So, in the Google, whenever you type something, you'll get a lot of suggestions there, right? So, I'll repeat once again, what is the language modeling? Language modeling is a technique used in natural, that is NLP, natural language processing, that involves predicting the next word in a sentence or sequence of words based on context and the previous word. Means you need to find out, you need to predict the next word, what comes next. I have a context and you need to find out what comes next. It's all about the language modeling. And in the language modeling, you have too many predictions, right? You have too many predictions, you have too many parameters. So how does language modeling work? So language modeling is typically achieved using deep learning algorithm such as recurrent neural network, that is RNN, or the transformer model. So what is the GPT? I think most people, they are using the chat GPT, but they don't know what is chat GPT. So what is the chat GPT? Chat GPT means what? Generative primitive transformer, right? Yes or no? Generative primitive transformer. So you have a concept called as transformer. And how generative AI will come, like will execute everything. So basically, recently, the 5 developers from the Google team, I repeat once again, recently the 5 developers from the Google team, they released one research article called as Attention is All You Need. I repeat once again, recently the Google research team released one research article called as Attention is All You Need, which ended to the generative AI. So I suggest you, once you complete your session, please try to check this white paper. Please try to check this white paper, which ended to the generative AI. So you can easily understand the process of ChatGPT, how it will work, and how you can build your own ChatGPT model, how you can predict the next word, how you can predict the next thing, how you can predict the things, right? So please try to check this like this documentation, this white paper. I know it's a bit difficult to understand, but if you want to learn the things in easier manner, I'll tell you one more thing. Please try to check it out. This one, Cloud AI, AI Cloud A. Okay, Cloud AI. And you need to type, you need to put Cloud AI. You can use it this platform, and you can use this like in a white paper directly posted into the Cloud AI. They'll give you the summary in the simple words. They'll give you the summary in the simple word. So I'll repeat once again, you should know about only the two basic concepts. Number one is language modeling, and second one, that is deep learning, neural network, supervised learning, unsupervised learning. I hope you all are from the data science community, like machine learning and data science, right? So it's not a rocket science. It's simple, right? Now, how you can build the ChatGPT model? Please tell me. If I want to build my own ChatGPT model, or for example, for your college, if you want to build your own ChatGPT model, you need to collect the corpus, right? Your first step is you need to collect the corpus. Now, what is a corpus? Corpus means data. How you can build your own ChatGPT model? If you want to build your own ChatGPT model, you need to collect the data. That is online data and the offline data. Then you need to truncate the informations, right? You need to truncate the informations means you need to remove the informations. You need to train the models, and you need to predict the things. Okay, keep it simple. Collect the data, truncate the things, or you need to remove the things. Then you need to train the model. That's it. And then you can build your ChatGPT model. Then you can build your chat models. Now, today we'll discuss only about the basic stuff, and tomorrow and day after tomorrow I'll show you how to build the things. Okay. So first thing, you should know about the language chain. So first, if you want to build the chat models, your first stage is OpenAI integration. So this is the OpenAI website, right? I hope you all are familiar with the OpenAI and the ChatGPT. So first thing, you need to integrate everywhere. You need to integrate the API key. Okay, you need to integrate the API key. So this is the website. You need to take the API key. So OpenAI API. So just type here OpenAI API, right? and you need to integrate the OpenAI key, right? Fine. Now I don't have an account here, so you need to create your account here. I repeat once again. If you don't have OpenAI account, please try to log in and please create your account, and then you need to take the API key here. Okay, so this is your first process to start to build your ChatGPT model. You need to take the API. Now, why we are using the API? Because we need to collect the informations. We can use the multiple APIs to get the information, to collect the information, right? So this is the first website you need to check, OpenAI API platform. Instead of the OpenAI API, because whenever you perform any task in the OpenAI, you need to pay some sort of fees there, right? So I suggest you, instead of the OpenAI, you can go for the Cohere. This is the another API, Cohere API. Okay, instead of the OpenAI, you can go for the Cohere API, the leading enterprise AI platform. And if you're using the OpenAI API, you'll get the error again and again. If you run the model, you'll get the error again and again. So I suggest you here, instead of the OpenAI, you can go for the Cohere API, right? Or else you have another option called as Gemini. This one, you have another option called as Gemini, and then click enter. Okay, you have another option called as Gemini API. This one, Gemini API, and then you can build the API. Three things, always remember, you have a multiple option. First, you need to collect the API. What the API will do? Basically, they can collect the information. You can use the multiple APIs, right? So this is your first step to build the ChatGPT model, API, right? Now, second thing, you should know about, do you know anything about the Hugging Face? All of you heard about the Hugging Face? This one? Hugging Face. I'll tell you, Hugging Face. Please try to check this platform, Hugging Face. So basically, this is AI community building the future. Means many developers, they create the AI applications, they create the Gen AI application, okay, and they put their code here. So basically, you can build the text to text, text to image, or text to video application. Okay, just a minute. Just a minute. Okay, so basically, you need to visit here. That is Hugging Face, and many developers, they create the application, they post the code here. So if you want to build the same applications, you need to check their GitHub repos. You need to modify it, and you can build the text to text or text to speech application or text to video application. So this is your second platform, right? First one, please try to check it, the OpenAI. Second one, Cohere or the Gemini, and the third one, that is Hugging Face. Now, we have a third platform called as LangChain. Please try to check this one, LangChain. Now, what is the LangChain? We need to highlight today. I'll discuss only the basic stuff. Okay. Now, what is the LangChain? So basically, LangChain is divided. LangChain is just a framework. Okay, LangChain is just a framework, and LangChain is divided into the three different things. Number one is LangChain. Number two is LangChain Smith, and number three is LangChain Serve. What? LangChain, LangChain Smith, and the LangChain Serve. Right. So you can check here. First one, build, means you need to build the application. So LangChain is a framework to build with LLM by chaining inoperable components. LangGraph is the framework for building controllable agenting workflow. Number two, deploy. Once you build your LLM models, you need to deploy your run model. Deploy your model here. Deploy your LLM application at scale with the LangGraph cloud, our infrastructure purpose built for the agent. So basically, keep it simple. We need to use this one, this framework we need to use to build the ChatGPT or the ChatGPT models. Okay, like for example, chat application or the LLM or the prompt things we need to build. So please try to check it out, this platform, LangChain, LangChain Smith, and the LangChain Serve. And if you don't understand anything now, you can go to the documentation part. This one, you can go to the docs. You can learn the LangChain, LangChain Smith, and the LangChain graph. Okay. Now, so this is the platform. First one, you need to integrate the OpenAI key. Second one, please try to check it the Hugging Face. And the third one, please try to check it the platform called as LangChain. Please try to check it the platform called as LangChain. Right. And now, one more thing, please try to check everything from the scratch. So please try to visit the LangChain NanoNets. LangChain nanonates, the complete guide, basic, how to start from the scratch. So if you want to start from the scratch, please try to check this documentation. This is all about the LangChain guide, okay? And we need to cover the multiple things here. So basically, first they'll tell you like how to integrate the API keys. Then we need to explore the multiple things like model input output, retrieval, what are the agents, what is the chain, what is the memory, okay, and how to deploy the like applications, LLM models and all. So please try to check these documentations, LangChain, Nanonet. Okay. Now I'll explain the basic one. So how to install the LangChain, then how to install the different things. I'll tell you. So first, your first prerequisite, you need to install the VS Code. Your first prerequisite, you need to install the VS Code. I'll demonstrate everything. Don't worry. So first thing, once you install the VS Code, you need to install the LangChain. Pip install LangChain. Second one, for the experimental purpose, for those who prefer the latest feature and comfortable with the bit more adventure, you can install the LangChain directly from the source.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sorry to disturb. Ajinkya, Satyamurthy sir here.
Yes, sir. Satyamurthy, sir, please.
Because the students are very new to data mining and concepts also, classification also.
Okay, fine.
Please,
No problem.
because they are not studied that subject also right now, I think. So
Okay.
you can, the things which you are covering, maybe advanced, somewhat advanced. You should cover the basics also, I think.
Okay, sure. No problem. We'll do it. Okay, sure.
Okay, you can give brief gist of the basics and all the things. How the
Okay.
classification model works and all the things are there. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
Later, okay.
Okay. Okay. So I think you all are from like third year. So we can start from the basic. Okay. So just do one thing. I'll tell you today. We'll just discuss about like how to create the ChatGPT model, and tomorrow or day after tomorrow we discuss about like the basic concepts. I'll talk about everything in theoretical manner, like RLHF. What is RLHF? What is deep learning? Okay, what is data mining and all the other stuff. We'll do it. Okay, don't worry. So first thing, you need to check this platform, that is OpenAI. OpenAI API. I'll tell you like how to integrate the API key. Okay. First, you need to create your application here. You need to create. So this is a OpenAI platform, and you need to explore the multiple thing like text generation, image generation, vision, audio generation, text to speech, speech to text, vector embedding, moderation, reasoning. Okay. Now you need to go to the login section. This one. You need to go to the login section. Fine. And you need to create your account. So basic things you need to cover. First, create your account at the OpenAI, and you need to just integrate the OpenAI key. This is your OpenAI account. Okay. OpenAI platform. Just go to the login section and then create your account. So for example, I want to create an account. So go to the sign up section and then create your account. Just a minute. I'll just create my new account so you can easily check it out. So I'll tell you like how to create the API keys, and always make your API key secret. Okay. So verifying you are human, this may take a few seconds. Okay. It will take some time to create the API. Or maybe, okay. So I'll just tell you the process. Go to this part, that is OpenAI part. What you need to do is just go to the OpenAI part and then type here OpenAI API. Okay. And once you get to the OpenAI API, just create your account here in the login section and go to the API references. Go to the API references. Or once you create an account, you'll get directly the dashboard option. You're getting the dashboard option here. Okay. And once you get the dashboard option, go to the API keys. Okay. Create your account, you'll get the dashboard option here, and directly you'll get the API option or like API keys option. And then you can take the API key and save it to some other location like the notepad or like notepad or anywhere you can save it. Or else if you don't use the OpenAI, you can work with the another platform called as Cohere. This is another platform called as Cohere, the leading AI platform for the enterprise. Okay. And I know, like, nowadays everything is connected with the artificial intelligence. Means I know artificial intelligence can't work without your data. And I don't know when, but during our lifetime, you will be sitting down your home and you're watching Netflix or whatever equivalent it is to watch a movie. And before you start to watch a movie, you have a different options there. You can select the, like, Vijay as a main lead. You can select the Lady Gaga as a female lead. You can select yourself. Why not you? And the future Netflix render it for you and you can watch a movie. And this will happen because of the artificial intelligence. This will happen because of the computing power. Okay, so with the help of computing power, with the help of artificial intelligence, you can do whatever you want to do, right? You can create the applications, you can create the text to text application, you can create the videos and everything. So another API platform, this is like Cohere, the leading enterprise platform. Again, for the API, you need to create the account here. Again, you need to create your account for the API purpose. So this is the Google API. I'll just try to create. Okay. So you have a two options. First one that is OpenAI, and the second one that is Cohere, right? And now, uh, first Cohere API, then the third one we have Gemini. Third option you have Gemini API. You need to create only the account. Huh? You need to create only the account and take the API keys. Because when you build the ChatGPT model, we need to take the API key. We need to create the file, that is environment file in the VS Code. Okay. And if you want the free things, please go with the Gemini or this one. What you can say, like Cohere, right? Now, I suggest you, if you're like basic, if you don't know anything about the generative AI, then I suggest you please try to check this website, howtoprompt.in. Please try to check this platform called as howtoprompt.in. And you can learn multiple things here about, like, what you can say, like chat gpt, mid journey, stable diffusion. You can learn the things about the rlhf, this one, because chat gpt or the openai is totally based on rlhf. Okay, reinforcement learning from the human feedback. The OpenAI is totally based on reinforcement learning from the human feedback, that is RLHF. So if you want to learn the chat GPT or the OpenAI from the basic, please try to check this platform. This is like how to prompt.in. And here you can find out the multiple things. So go to the free resources section and then AI directories. So here you can learn the things about the mid journey. Then the mid journey, you can find out, you can work with the DALE, stable diffusion. You can find out the multiple SaaS prompts. Then you can learn the things about the AI directories, huge libraries for the prompts and the AI tools, and AI tool directory. So please try to check these things. Okay, please try to check it this platform, howtoprompt.in. First one, try to work with the APIs. Second one, try to check the RLHF. What is RLHF? What is language modeling? And the third one, please try to work with the howtoprompt.in. So you can find the multiple AI tools, multiple AI directories, and the documentation. AI directories, AI tools, and the documentation. This one you need to work. This one you need to check it out. Okay. Now, the next one, if you don't know anything, if you don't understand anything about the Python or the Perl or any other language, then we have another platform to build the auto gpt. We have another platforms to build the auto gpt, and the platform named as, like, the Clarify. There is another platform called as clary Clary FAI. Enter this platform we have. And during the 3 days, we need to totally work on one website, that is Lab AI. There is one more platform called as Clarify, and we need to build everything in the Clarify. We need to build everything in the Clarify. Okay, I repeat once again now. So, just a minute. So this is my notepad. I'll just open it here. And it's a bit difficult to understand. And then, so first thing you need to learn, that is RLHF. Okay, like what is RLHF? I'll explain because but we don't have a time, but will I'll tell you. Second one, please try to go ahead with the language modeling. What is language modeling? Third thing you should know about, what is LangChain. So LangChain is not a, like, it's not an advanced thing. It's just a framework. LangChain is just a framework. Number 4, you need to work with the API. You need to work with the different API keys. We have a platform called as OpenAI. Then we have a platform called as Gemini. And then third one, we have Cohere. We have Cohere here, right? And if you want to start anything from the basic, if you want to start anything from the basic, everything from the basic, please try to check this website called as howtoprompt.in. You need to work on the howtoprompt.in website, and you can learn the basic stuff there. What is supervised, what is unsupervised learning, what is RLHF, what is language modeling. Okay, so please try to check these websites. And number six, please try to check it out, this platform called as Hugging Face. Hugging Face. Now, why we are using the Hugging Face? Because most of the developers, they create the applications, they create the chat model. It's just like GitHub kind of stuff. Keep it simple. It's just like GitHub kind of stuff. They put their code. Okay, they push the code there. And you can check it out the code, you can modify it. Okay. Seventh one, you need to check the platform called as LangChain. This is very important, LangChain. And LangChain is divided into three different parts. Number one is LangChain. Number two is LangChain Smith. And number three is LangChain. So LangChain Smith, and number three is LangChain. So, okay. First one is RLHF, second one is language modeling, third one is what is LangChain. API keys, you need to take it from the OpenAI, Gemini, Cohere, how to prompt.in, Hugging Face, and the LangChain. Now, we need to build a simple chatbot. Okay, we need to build the simple chatbot. So how you can build a simple chatbot? Now, I'll tell you about the what is GAN, what is RAG, what is large language model, what is agent, what is model input, output, and all. Okay. So first, this is a LangChain. LangChain 3, we have a 3 different things, right? Now go to the model input output. Now, in the LangChain model input output, whenever you visit here, LangChain OpenAI, you just type here LangChain OpenAI, and you'll get whole documentation like how to create the chat models, how to integrate the API keys, how to add the PDFs to the file, how to add the PDF file to the model, how to retrieve the data, how to use the documents loader and all. So you need to check the proper documentation here. Okay, I'll explain everything. But if you want to start from the basic, please try to check it out. Okay, how to set up things, how to set the environment. So you need to download the VS Code first. Then you need to integrate the OpenAI key. So basically, you can create directly the environment file, that is .env file in the VS Code, or else you can directly import it to the normal main file. Okay, so you need to integrate the API keys here. So I need to work on the OpenAI. You'll get how to download the OpenAI, that is pip install OpenAI, how to import the chat model, how to import the chat OpenAI, what is LLM, what is chat models, what is embedding models, what is document loader. It's like advanced steps. Okay, so first, try to check it out, these documentations, LangChain, OpenAI. But instead of LangChain, OpenAI, I suggest you go for these documentations like NanoNets. Okay. Now, in the LangChain model input output, you have two key components. Number one is LLM and the chat models. You have 2 to 3 key components, LLM and the chat models. Now, what is LLM? Keep it simple. LLM means large language model. And what is the definition? Pure text completion model. Input output, take a string input as take a string as the input and return a string as output. This is all about the LLM. LLM is what? Pure text completion model. Take a string as the input, take a string as the output. Chat model means what? You need to create the chat application. So when you send hello, you'll get the response hi or the hello, right? So you can check the second one, that is chat model that use a language model as a base, but differ in input and output format, but because in the chat applications you're not getting the same input and the same output, right? Then input output, accept a list of chat messages as an input and return a chat message. I repeat once again, you have two different components, LLM and the chat models. LLM means large language model. You need to type something, you'll get the same string as the input, same string as the output, like different, like same string as the input, output. Chat models, when you type something, you'll get the different output. Now prompt. Prompt means what? We have a temporary prompt. You all heard about like the chat GPT. Whenever you type something, you have a prompt. You need to type the prompt. Like for example, who is the founder of the Google? This is a prompt. So you need to create the template there. So this is all about the prompt. So template dynamically select and manage model input, allow for the creation of flexible and context specific prompts that guide the language model's responses. Okay, so this is your first step. Now how to integrate the LLM models, how to integrate the API keys. So first one, LangChain integrations with large model like OpenAI, Cohere and the Hugging Face is a fundamental aspect of its functionality. LangChain itself does not host LLM but offers the uniform interface to interact with the various LLM. So it does not host any LLMs. Okay, it's just a framework where you can interact with the multiple LLM things. So how to integrate from LangChain, LLM import, OpenAI, and the LLM equals to OpenAI means you need to integrate the things. You need to import the things here. Okay, and how to create the basic LLM model. Now this is a starter. This is your start. How to create the basic LLM model. So first you need to open your VS Code, and in the VS Code you need to type a query there. Import LLM. This one. Import from LangChain LLM import OpenAI because we are using the OpenAI. Or if if you're taking the Cohere key, you can use the Cohere here. Okay, from LangChain LLM import OpenAI, or else you can use it the Cohere. And then you need to take a response. If you want the response, if you want to print the things, then type here least the seven wonder of the world, and you'll get the output there. You'll get the output. So this is your basic LLM model. This is your basic LLM model. I repeat once again, how to build the basic LLM model. You need to import the OpenAI, you need to import the Cohere, you need to print, if you want to print anything, you can use it the invoke. If you want to print anything, you can use it the invoke. Okay, print statement, that is least the seven wonder of the world, and you'll get the response. So this is your basic task for now. You need to run it this code, and or else now we have another code called as chat models. Now what we need to do in the chat models, we need to import the chat model, right? And we have a different type of messages in the chat models. I repeat once again, first of all, in the LangChain you have 3 to 4 components. First one is LLM, second one is chat models. LLM is what? Input string, output string. Chat model means what? When you type something, you'll get the different output, right? And how to build the basic LLM model? Simple. You need to import the OpenAI. You need to type the statement. You need to print the statement. You'll get the output. Chat models means what? In the chat models, you need to import the chat models. And we have a different type of messages here. We have a different message type, such as AI message, human message, system message, function message. What? We have a different AI, we have a different message type, AI message, human message, system message, and the function message. Okay, and you need to use the multiple things here. For example, if you want the system message, you can use it this code. If you want to use the human message, you have a different code here. So please try to check this documentation, and at least today, at least you need to run the two things. First one is the LLM, and the second one is the chat model. LLM and the chat model. Okay, now what you need to do is, please try to check the platform called as, if you don't know anything, and in the second and the third year, if you want to build the many projects in the generative AI or in the chat GPT, please try to check this platform called as LabLab AI. LabLab AI. Okay, this is a platform called as LabLab AI. And go to the fourth option, 1, 2, 3, 4. I repeat once again, please try to check the fourth platform, LabLab AI, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is AI tutorials, and just try to access it. LabLab AI, and go to the AI tutorials here. And now we need to work with, so basically in the generative AI, we have a multiple tools. Number one, we have a Cohere. Why we are using the Cohere? Because we need to take the API. We have a Gemini AI. We need to take the API. We have a different API here. Okay, different APIs we have. Then we need to work with the Llama 2. We need to work with the LangChain. We need to work with the Composio. We need to work with the GAN, and the RAG, DALE. These are the different API we have, different platforms we have, and we need to build the different application. We need to build the different applications with the help of Streamlit, with the help of Chainlit. You can use it you can use it the front. You can create the front end and back end there. Okay, so please try to check this platform called as LabLab AI. Okay, LabLab AI, and just go to the LangChain section. This one, LabLab AI and the LangChain, and now I'll tell you the process, what you need to do. So this is the LangChain, right? LabLab AI. and how you can build your first chat model or the chatbot, whatever. Okay, so first thing, just go to the VS Code. So where is the, I need to check the VS Code. Okay, so VS Code. I'll just open my VS Code here. I repeat once again. I'll tell you the whole process, how to work on it, or how to work with, like, different chat models. So basically, take the API keys, then you need to open the VS Code, and in the VS Code, we need to create the multiple applications with the help of Streamlit. So we have applications called e-commerce, and you can directly take the code, okay, or you can use the different repos. You can find out the different repos, and you can directly build the ChatGPT models here. So I suggest you two GitHub repos here. Please try to check the GitHub repos number one, that is Code Basics GitHub. Enter. I already sent the link in the chat section. If you want, you can directly take it. Okay. We have like two GitHub repos here. Please try to check. I already sent the link in the chat section. If you want, you can directly take it. Okay. The first one, Code Basics. Okay. Just try to check. And we need to build the 4 projects here. Number one, LangChain crash course. Okay. And in the LangChain crash course, we need to create the restaurant name generator. We need to generate the, like, the menu. Restaurant name generator applications we need to build. Then the second applications we need to create, that is news research tool project. News research tool project. News research tool project. This is your second application. First one, restaurant generator. Second one, news research. Third one, Q&A application. Okay, we need to build the Q&A with the LangChain. Q&A applications with the help of LangChain. Then the fourth one, we need to create the SQL DB t-shirts. It's like all of the LLM libraries. Okay, these are all the LLM projects we have. So first one, we need to create the restaurant generator. Second one, news research tool project. Third one, we need to create the Code Basics Q&A application. Fourth one, we need to try for the RAG. The basic models, I'll tell you like how to create, how to use the LLM, how to use the chat GPT chat models, how to use the prompt, what is the, how to create the chat agents and all, agents and the Maven and everything. Okay, so please try to check this repo first. And the second repo I suggest you here, please to try to check it, the second repo. I already sent the second repo in the chat section. If you want, you can directly take it. Okay, the second repo we have, I have a list of repos. If you want the files, you can directly take it. So basically now, during the 3 days, we need to build the multiple things. Number one is blog generation applications we need to create. Then the second one, we need to create the conversational Q&A chatbot. Then the third one, we need to create the, like, LLM generic application, LLM Gen application. Fourth one, text summarizations with the Cohere, not with the OpenAI, with the Cohere. Text summarizations with the Cohere. Then we have a calories health and the chat multiple documents. First one is blog generation. Second one is conversational Q&A chatbot. Third one, LLM generic application. Fourth one, Q&A chatbot using LLM. Fifth one, text summarization, calories health, and the chat multiple documents. So these projects we need to build. First repo, you need to check this one, Code Basics, and the second repo, that is complete LangChain tutorial. This one you need to check. First, I'll share all the links with you so you can check it out. Okay. Then the language modeling you need to check. Then this one, and this is a platform called as Playground AI. So what is a Playground AI? So with the help of Playground AI, whenever you type something here, for example, the Elon Musk with Barbie doll, Elon Musk with Barbie, Elon Musk with Barbie, you'll get the exact results there. Elon Musk with the Barbie, you'll get the exact results there. So this is a power of computing. This is the power of computer power. Okay, whenever you type something, you'll get the output here. They have a 2 to 3 different applications you can use it. Means there is no filter. And nowadays we do have a technology called deepfake. So with the help of if you want to ruin anybody's songs, or if you want to make your own music with the help of, like, AI tools, then please try to check the platform called as Splash Pro. Splash Pro. If you want to build your own music, because in the future we don't need the musicians. In the future we don't need the content editors, because with the help of AI tools you can do whatever you want to do. Okay, so there is a platform called as Splash Pro, and if you want to build your own songs, or if you want to build your own musics with the help of AI, please try to check this one, Splash Music, Splash Music. Okay, and you can find out the multiple AI music models here. You can find out the multiple AI music models. So this is all about the Splash. Okay. Then we have a stable studio audio. Then we have a music and the music element. So we have multiple AI models here. If you want to build your own, like what you can say, own music or the own songs, please try to check it out this platform. And also, if you want to ruin anybody's songs with the help of artificial intelligence, please try to check it out this one. That is, Dear I Ruined It. Dear I Ruined It. Dear I Ruined It. A platform. Dear I Ruined It. This platform you need to check. Dear I Ruined It. And you can easily ruin anybody's songs with the help of AI tools. Okay. And you can check it out the one platform here. Just a minute. I'll tell you this one. Barbie Girl. Okay. I'll play for you. This. Just a minute. So they have a platform. They have 3 to 4 million followers on their Instagram. Just a minute. And they have just a minute. Okay, this one. So they have like good platforms. If you want to ruin anybody's songs, please try to check it out there. This one, that is There I Ruined It. Okay, this platform you need to check. There I Ruined It. And now I'll already saying this link also, like Lab AI. If you want to build the multiple AI models or the multiple AI tools, please try to check it out this one. Lab AI. Right. Now, our first task, we need to do it. Please try to visit the Clarify, the first website, Clarify. I hope you all have the VS Code in your computer. Yes or no? Please tell me in the chat section. I hope you all have a VS Code. My voice is audible. Please tell me. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. You can hear.
Okay, fine. So please tell me, participants, I hope you all have a VS Code here. Then only we can build the chat models, because I need a hands-on thing. I need interactive things. Okay, fine. Fine. Great. Okay, just do one thing now. Everyone, please try to open the VS Code now. Please try to open the VS Code. Okay. Everyone, please try to open the VS Code right now. So I'll tell you the process, how you can build the things. Everyone, please try to open the like VS Code. Please try to create your account at the Clarify. Everyone, please try to open the like VS Code and please try to create your account at the Clarify. Clarify. Here you need to create the account. Clarify. Okay. Okay. Screen is visible. Fine. Just do one thing. Please try to create your account at the Clarify. Once you open the VS Code, please try to create your account at the Clarify. CLERAI. This one, this platform. Everyone, please try to create your account at the Clarify. So just go to the login section and create your account. So I'll just create my account and then we'll proceed. Everyone, please try to create your account at the Clarify. Okay, I'll just take a code, the simple password. Okay, then I agree to the terms and conditions and then create your account. You need to verify your email. So I'll just verify it and then, okay, custom model operation, learn about AI or experiment tracking and then submit. Okay, everyone please try to create your account at the Clarify. I'll just verify my account and I'll just do the next step. 8. Okay, fine. Or else, just a minute. Participants, have you created your account at the Clarify? Tell me. My voice is audible, right? Okay, just do one thing now. It's asking company, you can type anything now, whatever you want. You just type anything. Okay, just do one thing now. You can share your screen now. If possible, you can share your screen. Because again, I need to get back to my credentials and everything. Any part, anyone, please share your screen. So I'll tell you the process, everything. 6 to K1, you can share your screen, if possible. I'll stop my screen sharing. Okay. Please try to share your screen. 6 to K1. I'll make a co-host then. Fine. I'll make a co-host. 6 to K1. You can type anything. In the company section, you can type anything, what you want. 6 to K1. Where is the 6 to K1? Six to K1, I'll make a co-host. I don't have like permission, I think. Okay, fine. You are the co-host. Now you can share your screen. Are you able to share the screen? Okay, great. Okay, now just do one thing. Once you create your account, the Clarify, click on the start with a blank application, right? Start with a blank application. Everyone, please try to create your account at the Clarify. And this is not like difficult. It's very simple to build the ChatGPT model. Don't take too much stress. First thing, go to the app ID and type there Llama, L-L-A, Llama, L-L-A, no, double L, L-L-A-M-A, M-A, 2. Okay, then short description you can type there. Short description, second one. Short description, Llama 2 tutorial. Llama 2, Llama 2 tutorial. Okay, fine. Now select the option text to document, text document. Second, right? And then create an application. I repeat once again, everyone, please try to open your account at Clarify. And now you need to create the application ID called as Llama 2. Then the description Llama 2 for like, this one, Llama 2 for Llama 2 tutorials. And then you need to create the application. Okay, now just do one thing now. Now you just do one thing. Go to the workflows. Go to the workflow. Left hand side, you have option called as workflow. Everyone, please try to check it out. The option called as workflows. Workflows. AI like workflows. Click it on the workflows option. Workflows. Please try to click on the workflows option. Okay. Completed creating, fine. Everyone, please try to create your account with this one, Clarify. And once you create your account, go to the workflows. My voice is audible. Please tell me fast. At least during 3 days, we need to build 7 to 8 projects. So that's why. Done? Great. Okay, now go to the filter model type. filter model type and just type there text to text. Text to text. You'll get the option there, text to text. Select and then click it on the green sign. Click it on the green sign. Right? Right? Clicked. And now you can select a model. Select a model. Which model you need to select? Llama 70B chat. Llama 70B chat. Just a minute, just Llama 3B 70, second one. Llama 370B chat, instant. Wait. Select it. Wait now, wait. Everyone, please try to create your account. You all are doing it, right? Yes or no? Please tell me. You all are doing it? Because we need to do only the hands-on thing. So that's why I'm just doing like little bit slow. Otherwise, it will take too much time. Okay, so can you save from the workflows? Okay, no problem. Clicked on the workflow, repeat from workflow. Okay, just do one thing now. You can go again, go once again, get back to the workflow. So they can perform it once again. Please from the start the application. Okay, everyone, I'll just do one thing. Create. Clicked on the create option. No, only create. Create option is there. Click there. Everyone, I'll start from the create option. Start with the blank application. Please type here, start with the blank application. Type the application name Llama. Type the application name Llama. And the short description Llama 2 tutorial. And the short description Llama 2 tutorial. Llama 2 tutorial, and then select the option you already executed now. You can select any other name, rename it now. First one Llama 2. You can type any other name. And then text to the document. Clicked on this text to document. I hope you all are doing it. Yes or no? Now done? This part done? Just give me the big like thumbs up in the chat section. Text document and then create application. Text document and then create a application. It's done? Everyone done? Now go to the workflow. So select the option number. You have two option here. Please use a pre-trained model and select the option number 2, build a custom model. So you can select anything, whatever you want. Okay. So if you want to use the multiple AI model, so we have a face detection, we have a text to text, we have like, text to video, text to audio. So just get back once again, get back and select the second one, build a custom model. Done. And now go to the workflows. Workflows. Everyone, please try to visit the workflow and create a workflow. Text to text. Go to the left hand side. Select the option text to text. Right? And then click it on this sign. Text to text. Right clicked. And then select a model. Which model you need to select? Llama 3B70B chat. Llama 70B chat. Okay, no version found this model. Save workflow. You already selected the save workflow. Okay, fine. Everyone, you selected the model called as Llama 2, this one, 70B chat. Please tell me in the chat section. I'm waiting for your reply. Yes or no? I'm just waiting. Okay, 70p chat. Now clicked on the plus sign. And just type there, I have a headache. Try your own text. Clicked on the try your own text and just type a text there. I have a headache. What should I do? What should I do? And then submit. Okay, now wait. Everyone just type this query, click on the plus sign, I have a headache and what should I do? You can type and you'll get the output here. How many of you get the output in the Llama? Please raise, please give me the thumbs up in the chat section. How many of you get the output? This output. First. So I have a headache, what should I do? Take a medicine or what? Or take a pain reliever, rest, lie down. So can you see from done? You all are getting the, you get the output, right? Great. If anyone have any query, please tell me. If you have any query, please post your query in the chat section about this part. No one like it's done? Great then. Okay, now just do one thing. Just do one thing. Visit the website called as LabLab AI. Visit the website called as LabLab AI. LabLab AI. LabLab AI. And just add their clarify. No, no, no. Just add their clarify. LabLab AI clarify. LabLab AI clarify. Clari FAI. 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 Ah, right. Clarify. Enter. And access the second part. Second part. Hi, bro. Sample output will get by commanding in ChatGPT right away. So no, no, no. Actually, we need to build the model. So that's why we are getting output there. We are not doing anything with simple like same as ChatGPT. Okay. So wait. I'm just telling you like how to do the text to text, text to documents, or like text to video. Sir, what to do after selecting text to text? Text to text, click it on the green button and then select the model called as Llama 370p chat. Okay. And now just do one thing now, just scroll it. Just scroll and select the last option. Select the last one. How to build. Last one. Last one. Last Llama 2. Last. No, no, last one directly. Click here. Llama 2 how to build this one. Everyone please try to, once you create your account at the clarify, and once you get the output in the clarify, just try to check this website lablab AI llama 2. Okay, lablab AI llama 2, and just open it, this one. Now open it. Okay, done. Or else I'll share my screen. Okay, fine. Second option. Just open it. You don't have an internet. And just last option, just scroll it. And last option, select the last option. If you don't understand anything like how to create the applications, how to get the output, just try to this documentation. Just scroll it now. Scroll a little bit. Like how to create the applications, how to create the things. Then now just scroll a little bit, and you'll get the code there. You'll get the code. Just scroll. Text to text applications you need to create. Now we'll get this output, right? Wait. Now everyone please try to open your VS code. Wait. Now everyone please try to open your VS code. And in the VS code, just create one file. In the VS code, open the VS code. You have a VS code? Please try to open the VS code and create a file called as app.py. Create a file called as app.py. Open your VS code and create a file called as app.py. If you have a VS code, please try to open VS code and create a file called as app.py. It's done. I hope you all have VS code. Please try to open the VS code and create a file called as app.py. It's done. A2 to A6. Fine. It's done. This one, that is 6 to K1. You don't have VS code. Okay. I have. Okay, open it then. VS code. Just open it. I'll tell you. Just open it the VS code. Okay, once you create the account and everything, please try to create the VS code. If anyone have like, okay, fine. So we have a VS code here. In the VS code, create a file called as app.py, right? You need to create a one file in the VS code, that is app.py. And now get back to the documentation. We already created we check the documentation and lab. Just check the documentation, lab documentations, and just copy the whole code there. I'll explain the code also. Just copy whole code app.py. This code you need to copy. Okay, done. Just copy whole thing and paste it here. I repeat once again, everyone, once you create your account at the Clarify, once you did everything, then please try to check the lab documentation and just take whole code and paste it here. Done? Now open your terminal. You just do one thing, open your terminal, VS Code terminal. You just open your VS Code terminal. Okay, fine, great. Done? Everyone just tell me. I hope you all are follow. Like you all are doing it. I need to repeat anything, just tell me in the chat section. Wait a minute. I need to repeat anything in the chat section. No. I need to repeat anything in the chat section. Please tell me. No need to repeat. Fine. So now we already copied the thing here. And now we need to install the multiple, because when you build the chat GPT model or chat models or anything, you need to install all the libraries, all the entities and everything you need to install, packages and everything. Then only you are able to run the application. Fine. Now just do one thing. In the terminal, you have a bash. You have a bash there, bash terminal, or only the PowerShell is there. I think you have a bash. PowerShell is GitHub. The bash is not there, no? Okay, only you have this one only. Anyway, just do one thing. Just type there. How should I open the documentation in lab? Okay, just a minute. I'll share the link in the chat section. You can directly open it. Just a minute. Just give me the second. Just give me a second. This is like, where is the clarify? Fine. I'll share the link in the chat section. You can directly take it. Okay, this one. Wait a minute. Okay. I hope you get the output. This one, got it? 6 to Kevin, right? Click on button and choose the bash, bro. Anyway, it's okay now. But we need the bash also, okay, to run the application. Now just do one thing now. Open a terminal and just type the first query there in the terminal. Pip install Streamlit. You need to install all the things here. Pip install Streamlit. Pip install Streamlit. pip space install this one, pip space install space Streamlit, because we need to install all the libraries and the entities. Pip install Streamlit. Everyone just do it. Pip install Streamlit. The first command you need to type pip install Streamlit. Second one, you need to install the llama, or you can directly type pip install langchain. Pip install langchain. First one pip install Streamlit. Second one pip install langchain. Enter. I think pip is not working. I know. Try pip3. I need to. I know you need to set this path. I think variable, environment variable, and all. PP is working anybody's computer? Like, just tell me. pip3 install langchain. Anyone, please tell me PP is working your laptop, because your errors start from pip only. It's working. Okay, you're getting error with the pip. 6790. Can you share your screen? Actually, you need to say it. 62K1. You need to set your variable, and then only pip is working. Okay, getting error. How many of you? Most of the people, they are getting error. It's working. Okay, just do one thing now. If PP is working, please try to share your screen. Anyone? 6790. Can you share your screen? Please tell me fast. Okay, 6 to Kevin. I'm just stop your screen sharing and just make a host this one, like 6790. Just a minute, I'll make a co-host 6790. 6790. Fine. You can share your screen now. 6790. You can share your screen. Fast. Actually, we have only 30 to 40 minutes. We need to build at least one chatbot. Fast. Okay, PP is working. Langchain is working. Fine, great. You're doing it in Bash. Great. No problem. Now just type the first query: pip install Streamlit, pip install LangChain, and next one pip install Streamlit. Sorry, pip install, because this is Streamlit application, so that's why pip install Streamlit, pip install LangChain, pip install LangChain, pip install OpenAI, pip install OpenAI. Okay, done. If you are getting error with the pip now, it's a long process. It will take almost like 50 to 20 minutes to solve the error, pip error. So now you just check the document, this one presentation, and you have a recordings also. So if you do, if you are getting error with the pip, you just solve and then do it. Okay. You need to only download the pip install Streamlit, pip install OpenAI, and the Llama also you need to install. Pip install Llama, pip install Llama. Enter. Pip install Streamlit, pip install LangChain, pip install OpenAI, and the pip install Llama. You're getting error with the Llama? No, done. Okay, now just scroll a little bit. So this is app.py, and just directly run it. Just directly run it. Streamlit run app.py. Streamlit run app.py. Streamlit run. No. Streamlit space run. This one. Streamlit. How to run the Streamlit application? Just type a query. Streamlit space run app.py. If you want to run any application in this one, Streamlit run app.py. Main application name. Streamlit run app.py. Streamlit. Actually, you need to install the Streamlit. So just type here pip install Streamlit. Pip install Streamlit. Pip install Streamlit. And then you can run it. Streamlit run app.py once you install the Streamlit. Everyone, I'll tell you one thing. You need to upload the code and you need to install all the libraries, all the entities, all the packages, and then run it. Your file does not exist. You can check your path now. You create the virtual environment. That is Python. Do you know anything about the virtual environment? Participants, do you know anything about the virtual environment? How to create the virtual environment? Otherwise, I need to tell you, like how to activate, how to create. Okay, fine, cool then. So you need to use the Python hypernium, then the VNV, then you need to activate it. You already created, no? Yes or no? Streamlit run app. Just type once again, Streamlit run app.py. Enter. Invalid value file does not exit app.py. Okay, just do one thing now. Just do one thing. Wait a minute. Just do one thing, huh? Wait. I already sent the link in the chat section. Just check it out, this link. I have sent the link in the chat section. Just check it out. Okay, everyone, just check it out, both the links. Huh? Just take your time. Don't take too much stress. Just take your time and just try to access the. Now it's working, I think. Just type your email address there. Email address. Type now email address, no problem. Type your email address. You'll get the output. Error. What error you are getting? Streamlit chat. Okay, you need to install the Streamlit chat. This one from Streamlit chat. Peep. Just try now. Peep. Just a minute. You are getting error. Streamlit chat. Just a minute. Streamlit underscore chat. Okay, you can peep install Streamlit chat. Peep install Streamlit chat. I have sent it in chat section. Streamlit chat. Peep install Streamlit chat. Done. Also, Llama also you need to install. Peep install Llama. Peep install Llama. And now run it. Streamlit run application name. Streamlit run app.py. I think you are getting error with the API key now. Where is your screen? What? अरे यार, llama, import llama. Have you installed the llama? You need to install the llama. I mean, pip install llama. Pip install llama. Always remember one thing, you need to install everything like Streamlit, Llama, Streamlit chat. You're getting error with the Llama? Okay, now just do one thing. Wait. Just do one thing. Hmm. I already sent two links, huh? Chat section. In chat section, I have sent two links. Just try to access this. Okay, done. What are you doing? Okay. Just try to run it last time. Error with install Llama. Okay, just do one thing. Just do one thing. I already sent the link. Please try to access it now. Second link. 6790. Please try to access the second link. Check your chat section. Check your chat section. Anyone please share your screen? If bash is working, please share your screen fast. Fast. We can directly run it in the bash then. Just do it fast. Okay, 6-2. Anyone please share your screen? Share it, no problem. You can directly share it. I think you are the host. Bash is not working. You can use the Git. Git, you directly download the Git bash. You need to download it for Windows, Git bash. Okay, done? Open it. Now just go to the code section and just clone it. Just go to the code section, code. Just copy the link, clone it. Just copy. Copy and just get back to the VS Code. Come to the VS Code. And now just type, okay, create a new bash terminal. And just type there git space clone, control V, git space clone and paste your link. Git space clone, clone space, enter. Okay, you got all the files like this one, complete LangChain tutorials. Now you just access it now, complete LangChain tutorial, cd space complete, cd space c tab, cd space capital C and press tab. So you'll get the directly output. Enter. Now type the ls. Enter. Okay, you'll get all the files here. If you want to run the whole projects, you have a multiple files here like blog generation, LLM generic application, text summarization, Q&A. Now we need to run this project. Q&A chatbot using LLM. Now just type cd space capital Q and tab. Press tab, enter. ls. We got the one file called as app.py, right? Now just do one thing, try to install the Streamlit. Pip install Streamlit. Everyone just do it, then I'll explain the code. Pip install Streamlit, enter. Pip install Streamlit. It's done. Pip install. If bash is not working now, you can directly download. You just type in the Google Chrome git bash and you can download it for the Windows. Okay, done. Streamlit. Okay, now just do one thing. Just type there. You already created the virtual environment. Just okay, fine, no problem. Now directly run the file. Streamlit app.py. Streamlit app.py. I think we need to take the Cohere API. I hope so. Streamlit app.py. What error? Okay, no Streamlit. Streamlit you need to install actually. You already installed, no? Enter. Now run it. Yeah, something wrong. Streamlit run app.py. Right. We'll get the output. No, I think we need to change the. Okay, what? Okay, you need to install the LangChain community. Peep install langchain underscore community. Peep install. I'll tell you the query. Just get back to the VS Code and just type here peep install. Peep install. PIP space install. PIP space install. Langchain underscore community. Enter. Now run it. Streamlit run app. Again error. I think Cohere error you are getting 101%. Maybe you'll get the output. You'll get the applications and what error you are getting? Right. You're getting error with the OpenAI. Did not find OpenAI API. Please add an environment variable which contain it or pass OpenAI API as names parameter. Okay, fine. Error input value model type. Actually, we need to use the open. Just check the code. Just open the code now. App.py file only. App.py. No, from the folder only. From the folder only you can access it. No. The complete LangChain tutorial whole. Just click there. And then access it the Q&A chatbot. App.py. Okay, what they are asking you for from LangChain LLM OpenAI or Streamlit as ST. Okay, it's temperature, LangChain applications, Q&A. Okay, I'll tell you the basic trick now. Now, why ChatGPT is very important? Just copy whole thing. I'll tell you. Just copy whole code. Just copy. Open your ChatGPT now. Control C. Open your ChatGPT. Or you can run it in the Python also, like normal script also you can run it. Just maximize it. Just please correct this code with the Cohere API. Just type there, please correct this code with the Cohere API and paste your code. Correct this code with Cohere API. Correct this code with Cohere API and paste your code. Enter. You're using which chat GPT? Okay, for the okay. Streamlit application. Replace OpenAI with the Cohere client. Added a method to call API generate. Used variables. Okay, remove LangChain and OpenAI since you are not using Cohere response call functions. Streamlit interfaces. Okay, make sure that to set your Cohere API as key. Okay, just do one thing. Now just copy the left-hand side code. Copy the left-hand side code. Copy and paste it there in the main file. Right. Just remove this one and paste it. Right. Now open your Cohere because we need to take the Cohere API. Everyone check it out. You need to build your own model. Open Cohere here, Cohere, Cohere. And I'll explain the theoretical stuff later by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Like how to build the things. Just go to the try now section. Create your code. Like create your API file. You have a API now, I think. Go to the API keys, left hand side. API keys option is there. Left hand side, left hand side, left hand side. Click there and generate a API key. New trial key, new trial key. New trial key, right hand side. Create a trial key. Type in anything and then create. Copy, copy, and just get back to the VS Code. Get back to the VS Code. Okay, and you have a Cohere API option is there. Cohere API, right? No. In the code only, Cohere API. Just remove it, the Cohere API key, and paste your key there. Paste your, just remove it. Right. Now just go to the terminal. Wait, and just type there pip install Cohere. Pip install in the terminal. Just type pip install Cohere. Pip install Cohere. Enter. It's done. It will take some time. Pip install Cohere. Fine. It's done now. Now type pip install Streamlit. Pip install Streamlit. Enter. Now type the last one, Streamlit run app.py. It's running finally. And just type here Q&A chatbot with the Cohere. Input your questions. You can type there anything, whatever you want to type, and you'll get the output. So basically, this is your basic chatbot. Okay, you can anything now. A blog on the robot or anything, or who is the founder of Google. You can type anything. That's the question. Array, or again, if you're getting error, the client must be instant. What the be either passing in token setting again we need the client must be instant provided by either passing in token or the setting co API key. Okay, fine. Just get back to the code once again. You're getting error with the API once again. Okay, just get back. Just scroll a little bit now. Just scroll a little bit. Cohere response input questions. The response is the right response. Please enter a question. Okay, Q&A chatbot using the license, LLM generic application. Okay, fine. This is like fourth one, now Q&A chatbot, right? Text summarization. Just try to access the third one, now conversational. Go to the complete line chain and conversational. Third project, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth project. Just go to the app.py, only the app.py. Check the file, app.py, just a minute. Streamlit as hey chat, conversational hey chat, like just okay, fine. Just scroll a little bit. Conversation, okay, fine. Okay, I'll tell you two things. Keep it simple. Why you're getting error? You're getting error because of the API keys. Okay, so always set the proper API keys. You need to install everything. You need to install everything. You need to install everything means what? You need to install the libraries. You need to install the packages and everything. Then only you are able to run your code. Number three, please try to learn about how to create the virtual environment, because when you're writing the code, you need to create and you need to activate the virtual environment. Okay. And also you're getting error only with the API keys only. Otherwise, you are able to access all your projects. You are able to access all your projects. And please try to run in the bash. How to run in the bash? Just try to install the git bash. Just try to install the git bash. Okay, and you just try to run your code. Now for today, I'll give you one task. You need to run at least two projects. Okay, you need to run at least two projects. So by tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I'll give you the theoretical stuff, like how to create the things, how to create the chat models and all. But for now, you need to create at least two projects from the code basics or this repo. I already shared the repo, right? And also now you just stop your sharing. Okay, you just stop your sharing. I'll share my screen now. Okay, I'll repeat once again. Everyone, please try to check this one. You need to go to the VS Code, just go to the code section, just clone it. You need to clone it, this repo. means you'll get all the code, all the projects there. Otherwise, you can check it out this one. Just go to the code, git clone and paste it. And how to install the git bash to your VS code? Just download git bash, download, and you'll get this one. Just download it and you'll get the git bash in directly the VS code. And what kind of errors you are getting in whenever you are running the projects now? Basically, you are getting the errors with the API keys only. This one, you are getting the errors with the API keys. So I always suggest, if OpenAI is not working, then go for the Cohere. Then go for the Cohere. If Cohere is not working, then go for the Gemini. You have a multiple options there. You have a go for the Gemini. And if you understand the basic theoretical stuff, because during the 2 or 3 days I can't explore a lot of stuff, right? So if you want to learn the basic stuff about the generative AI, then please try to check this one, what you can say. I suggest you one channel, the Royal Institute London, the Royal Institute London. Please try to check this one, the Royal Institute London. And you can add their Gen AI, the Royal Institute London Gen AI, and you can learn there what is fine tuning and what is reverse fine tuning. You need to check once the session over. Please try to check these 3 videos there, like what is generative AI, attention is all you need, what is transformer. Also, you need to learn the things about the GAN and the GAN and the RAG and the future of the generative AI. What is generative AI, the risk of the generative AI, and the future of the generative AI. Okay, these 3 things you need to check it out there. Also, please try to explore the Clarify. This platform you need to explore. Also, you need to explore the Llama. This one you need to explore Llama 2. And please try to read the things about the RLHF. Please try to read the things about the RLHF. This one, reinforcement learning. That is reinforcement learning from the human feedback. Okay. So the first thing, please try to create your API case. Please try to check the code. Learn the things about, if Streamlit is not working, you can work with the Chainlit, or you have a multiple options there. Okay. I hope you all understood the basic stuff now. By tomorrow and after tomorrow, we'll do the advanced things. If you're getting any error, if you're getting any query, please try to post your query on my LinkedIn profile. Fine. And please try to access both the code here. I already sent the link. If you want, I already sent the link in the chat section. Please try to access it. The first and the second one. At least try to run 2 to 3 projects and try to build your own chat GPT model. Now, how to build the chat GPT model? Uh, how to build the chat GPT model? You need to collect the data. That is offline and the online data. So again, it's not a rocket science. It's not like a new term. It's been around us for a while. Okay. It's like Google search engine, same as Google search engine. When you type something, you'll get the output, and you need to build the different chat models there. Fine. Okay, so please try to check the RLHF. Then please try to check these documentations about the language modeling, like what is language modeling, how does the language modeling work, why language modeling is important, the important use cases of the language modeling, and what is the transformer and the other stuff. Also, please try to check this channel called as Deep Learning AI. Deep Learning AI. Okay, Deep Learning AI. If you don't know anything about deep learning and all, please try to check it out. This platform, Deep Learning AI. Fine. So if you have any query, please post your query in the chat section. And I already mentioned the LinkedIn profile here. If you want, you can post it there, the queries. If you want the documentation or the any ebooks or anything you want, you just post it there. Fine. Please try to complete some basic theoretical stuff. Like, you should know about the basic stuff, like what is language modeling and like this one RLHF. Okay, ocean of knowledge in the bit. I have joined late to class after an hour. How can I get back to that? How can I get the recorded sessions? You can check it out the GitHub. I think you can talk. You can check it with the organizers. They have like recorded sessions as well, so you can directly take it from them. Okay, and also check it out the links. Fine. So for now, that's enough. Please try to create your basic chatbot now. Okay. Thank you. My voice is audible. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Sharon, is it over?
Hello.
Sir, your voice is audible.
Yes. Let's take a like Q&A session and just post your queries. Anything if you have like any queries.
Yes, sir. So if anybody is having any query, you can post now. You take 5 minutes and
If you have want documentation or anything, you just tell me, so I'll share in the chat section.
Yes.
Okay, also please try to explore this stuff. Now I'll get back here once again. Mhm. Please try to learn, please try to check this thing, that is GAN, this one. We have a documentation about the this one, GAN also. Please try to check this documentation, how to improve the resolution of the AI images. This one you need to check. Also try to explore the stuff about, like, the Meet Journey and the Meet Journey. Meet Journey, this one, Meet Journey and the Meet Journey. Or this one, Firefly. Firefly. This platform you need to check, Firefly. Firefly. Okay, create with the Adobe Firefly. If you want to create the extraordinary images or anything, please try to check this platform. If you want to create the text to video, then please try to check it out the Sora. The another platform, this is Sora, creating the video from the text. This platform you need to check it out. Sora. Even if you want to use the multiple AI or the LLM models, please try to check this another platform called as Together AI for the fine tuning and the reverse fine tuning purpose. Okay, Together AI, Together interface, Together fine tuning, Together GPU cluster and all. So please try to explore it. And this channel you need to take the Royal Institute London. You can check the three things there, like what is GenAI, the future, and the fine tuning, reverse fine tuning, and the future of AI. Okay, RLHF, language modeling, and all. Fine then. And at least please try to create a sir after creating the virtual environment. AI is no, first you need to create the virtual environment, you need to activate. So what kind of operating system you are using, you need to check. It's a Windows or like Linux operating system. So for likewise, you need to use the command and then you need to activate. Then it's working. Okay, fine. At least try to create the 2 chatbots. So by tomorrow, I'll ask you again, like how many chatbots you created or the chat models you created. Fine then. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. And if you have any query or the documentation, you can post your documentations or like if you post your queries on the LinkedIn. Thank you.